The BMW M GmbH celebrates its 50th anniversary by introducing the first-ever BMW Xm, a high-performance plug-in hybrid vehicle that combines innovative drive system technology and a unique vehicle concept. The 2023 BMW Xm features a newly developed M hybrid system, consisting of a 483 horsepower V8 engine with M TwinPower Turbo technology and a 194 horsepower electric motor integrated into the 8-speed M Steptronic transmission, resulting in a maximum system output of 644 horsepower and 590 ft-lbs of torque. The hybrid system enables purely electric driving with an anticipated range of up to 30 miles. The 2023 BMW M Hybrid V8 will also be used in endurance racing, powering BMW M Motorsport in competitions like the IMSA WeatherTech SportsCar Championship and the 24 Hours of Le Mans. The V8 engine is complemented by the BMW GEN5 electric motor, supporting quick throttle response and contributing up to 194 horsepower to the total system output. The 2023 BMW Xm accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds and has a top speed of 155 miles per hour, 168 miles per hour with the optional M Drivers package. The 2023 BMW Xm will include a special model called the BMW Xm Label Red, featuring over 735 brake horsepower and exclusive design elements, available for a limited time with an MSRP starting over $185,000. The power electronics and charging system of the 2023 BMW Xm's M hybrid system allow efficient management of the hybrid powertrain. The M xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures precise power distribution to all four wheels, enhancing the vehicle's agility and performance. The exterior design of the BMW Xm 2023 is characterized by a confident and dramatic appearance, with sharp edges and large air intakes, while the interior offers a luxurious M lounge for the rear passengers. The cabin features high-quality materials and modern design elements. The 2023 BMW Xm is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, the latest BMW iDrive 8 system, and offers an emotional driving experience with the BMW Iconic Sounds electric technology. 2023 BMW XM represents a powerful and innovative addition to the BMW M lineup, combining high performance, sustainability, and luxurious features to attract new groups of customers.